This is the 20th question of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5. This question says, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. This is the figure in the question. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? This is the question. Let me make you understand the question in a very easy way. Suppose this is a straight line and this is bucket and this is first potato and this is 5 meters away from it, from the bucket, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh potato, eighth, ninth potato, and finally this is the 10th potato. If a competitor runs from this starting point, this is the starting point. If the competitor runs from starting point to pick the first potato, therefore she will cover 5 meters. And after picking the first potato, she will run back to the bucket and again she will cover the distance of 5 meters. Therefore, we can write that in picking the first potato, she runs 10 meters. Same as if she runs from here to pick the second potato, she covers 5 plus 3 meters. This means 8 meters to go and 8 meters to come back. Therefore, she covers 16 meters to pick the second potato. Same as she will cover 8 plus 3, this means 11 meters to pick third potato and cover 11 meters to drop it in the bucket. Therefore, she covers 22 meters. So this is our AP, and the first term of this AP is 10, and common difference of this AP is 6, and since she will run 10 times, therefore n is 10, and we have to find out the sum of first 10 terms by using the formula Sn, and Sn is n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 10, so we can write 10 over 2. 2a is 10, n is 10, and d is 6. So if we divide 10 by 2, we get 5, and here is 20 and plus 54. This is 5 multiplied by 74. This is the sum of the distance covered by the competitor to pick all the potatoes. So the competitor covered 370 meters to pick all the potatoes and drop it in the bucket. This is the solution of the question. Thank you.